Thank you for packing shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. Let's get started. First, find an empty shoebox, preferably a standard size shoebox. And if you want to wrap it, please make sure that you wrap the lid separately. Decide on whether your gift is going to be for a boy or a girl and their age category. Categories are 2 to 4 years, 5 to 9 years, and 10 to 14 years. Then purchase gifts according to the gender and age category you've chosen. The more variety, the better. Here are some other gift ideas to get you started. Toys for a boy: mini cars, small trucks, balls, flashlights with batteries, small stuffed animals, Legos, and other small toys. Toys for a girl: small baby dolls, small stuffed animals, jacks, hair accessories, jump ropes, stickers, and other small toys. Don't forget to include necessity items such as a hairbrush, comb, mild bar soap, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, t-shirts, underwear, socks, and other small items that a child could use. Please don't forget to pack school supplies in your box. School supplies are popular wherever shoeboxes are sent. Also, try to include gifts such as crayons and other art supplies, coloring books, gum, and hard candy. Please be sure to place hard candy in double bags and mild soaps in separate airtight plastic bags. Please do not include liquid-filled containers that can open, break, or spill, such as shampoos, mouthwash, snow globes, or aerosol cans. Also, avoid items that are old or used, items that could easily break. Food, chocolate, medicine, vitamins, seeds, and war-related toys such as toy guns, knives, military toys, or figures holding weapons. After you've packed your shoebox with these special gifts, remember to include a short note with your picture and your address so that the child who receives it can write back if possible. You can also download and print an All About Me coloring sheet for your kids from our Graphic Resources webpage to share some extra fun facts about you and your family. Before you close the box, please don't forget to include $7 or more for shipping and other costs. For a simple and convenient way, you can make your shoebox donation online with a credit or debit card using Easy Give, available on our secure website at SamaritansPurse.org/OCC. And by making a financial donation online, you can now find out the country destination of your shoebox gift. It's called Follow Your Box, and it's a tracking technology Operation Christmas Child has recently implemented. Or you can place your check for $7 or more in the envelope attached to the Operation Christmas Child brochure, and be sure to place it on top in plain sight. Make your check payable to Samaritan's Purse, designated for Operation Christmas Child in the memo line. Don't forget to fill out your name and address on the envelope so that we can send you a special report on the distribution of the shoeboxes to the children. Secure the box by placing rubber bands around the box and lid. Now tape the appropriate label, included with your Operation Christmas Child brochure, on the lid of the box, making sure that you mark the correct age category on the label. Or, if you use the Easy Give online option, attach your appropriate barcoded label on the lid, making it possible for us to let you know its final country destination. Finally, your shoebox is ready for delivery to a special boy or girl. Remember, after you've put your shoebox together, the most important thing you can ever do is pray for the child who will receive your gift. If you have questions about packing your shoebox, consult your Operation Christmas Child brochure or visit SamaritansPurse.org/OCC. Thank you for participating in Operation Christmas Child.